Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we are talking a little bit about how I'm actually starting to slim down, and I just uploaded a few images of me, and as I wrote in that image, basically you are adding, I think it's 5 pounds or something like that to your weight when you are having a picture taken. So I thought I would just show today how I'm actually looking when I'm just filming myself. So you can see there is quite a difference from the pictures I uploaded and then to how I actually look. This is basically just the day after. So this is basically as you see here. So yes, I am not as fat as you might have thought when you were just looking at those images. So here next to me you can see that I have shown some exercises that I like to do, and that they are basically for how to train your butt. And if you look at those exercises, you can see that yes, they are inspired by what ballet dancers they are doing. So you can have a little look at that. And my goal is basically just to sort of like do a little bit of exercise now and then, but on a regular sort of basis, so it actually helps. But also it is a lot of about what I'm actually eating, and I've spoken about that a lot over the years. And lately I just tell you that when I uploaded those pictures that I'm talking about, I wrote that I'm actually at the moment eating a lot of something like a cheese, so a leerdammer light, and that means that I get some protein, but I don't get as much fat as if I were taking the normal one or the original one. Then I eat skinless chicken, and then I eat sometimes a bit of ham, and I eat basically I drink a lot of skimmed milk at the moment, because I have drunk sort of like a full fatty milk, and it just tastes absolutely lovely. But it's just like if you like to sort of like try to look as you're supposed to look when you are on social media, you can't really do what is necessarily very nice. You have to sort of like do a little bit more or something different. So that's why I'm drinking skimmed milk at the moment, and it's not as lovely as full fatty milk, but it's sort of like it will keep the pounds off your body. So I'm holding this one here, and that is just to say that that is something I am drinking during the day, and that is some of the things that are the amino acids that I'm talking about, and they are the ones that I would say are most crucial if you like to slim down. So I will list what is exactly in it, but it is glycine, then it's carnitine, and then it is a little bit of sugar, and then it is L-Arginine. And L-Arginine, that is basically just in there in order to make sure that the L-Carnitine is being sort of like neutralized in a way, so it's not so acidic, because that is really acidic. And the sugar is in there in order to help L-Carnitine go into your cells, so where they will actually burn fat when it takes fat into the mitochondria. So that is the sort of idea behind this, and the glycine that is in there in order to help with your collagen and muscle strength and ligaments and all that sort of thing. So this sort of build up. So you should not really you shouldn't waste all your money on something like collagen, because basically what you really need, that is pure glycine, because that is the main part of collagen. So that's really important. So this is basically just 4 ingredients, and they are sort of like helping you during the day, because what I do is that I drink a fourth of this in the morning, then basically just divide it over the day. And if you drink the whole thing in one go, you might have some issues with your bowels that you really don't want to have. So I would say divide this into 4 portions during the day, and that should be fine, and that will make sure that you are not hungry during the day, because one thing is that carnitine, it will help burn fat, but also something like glycine, that will actually make your body produce what is basically something that makes your body slim down. So that is glycagon and GLP-1. And that is basically when you are seeing all this wiggy and all that sort of thing, so these slimming down jabs, then basically glycine makes your body produce that itself, but actually the real thing. So that will actually make you feel less hungry during the day. So yes, those were the words. If you like to see more of this sort of videos, please subscribe to the bell and do all the things you must do in order to be notified when I upload more of this sort of videos. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye.